Good morning, students. Today we'll start our chapter number 8, SS chapter number 8, festivals and functions. So you all know about festivals and functions. Okay, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे festivals होते हैं और अलग अलग टाइप के functions भी होते हैं. हम देखेंगे कि हम स्कूल में क्या सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, कौन से फेस्टिवल्स मोस्टली हम स्कूल्स में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और हम फैमिलीज़ के साथ में कौन से फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और या हम अपनी सोसाइटी के साथ में कौन से फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, फंक्शन सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. टुडे विल कम टू नो. ओके, सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, festivals and celebrations are an important part of everyone's life. They bring happiness and give us opportunities to share joy with others. This occasion also encourages togetherness and sharing. Now, celebration in school. What functions and which days and which festivals we are celebrating in schools? Now, today we'll come to know. Okay, so celebration in the school. Now this, observe this picture and you all tell me which festival is this. Which festival is this? Different occasions are celebrated in school. We can classify this occasion into two categories: festivals and functions. There are certain festivals and functions that every school celebrates with enthusiasm. Among all festivals, national festivals, Teachers' Day and Children's Days are the major events celebrated every year by most schools. Likewise, two main functions celebrated by schools are Annual Day and Sports Day. Let us learn about these festivals and functions in detail. Festivals. We celebrate many festivals in our country, such as national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. Out of this, schools are expected to celebrate national festivals to instill patriotism in students. Let us first understand the significance of national festival. Now, what is national festival? Now we are going to learn. National festivals celebrate the important events in our country history. Independence Day and Republic Day are two such important days in the history of our country. Therefore, these are the two most important national festivals of India. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August because India got freedom from the British rule and became independent nation as on August 15, 1947. Later, we become a republic on January 26, 1950, when the Constitution of India came into force. So we celebrated Republic Day on 26 every year. On these 2 days, in most schools, the principal or the chief guest for the occasion hosts the national flag during school assembly. The students salute the tricolor of national flag, join the school chorus to sing the national anthem Jan Gan Man, and take a pledge to uphold the honor of the country. Some cultural programs are also organized by school. Children love to watch these programs and participate in them. The atmosphere in all the schools is charged with patriotism on these 2 days. Another important national festival celebrated all over the country and particularly in schools is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on October 2, that is on her birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as the father of our nation and is fondly called fondly called Bapuji by all. It was mainly because of him and his non-violence movement that we were able to free our country from the clutches of the British rule. On this day, most schools organize an event in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. The two big states events celebrated by schools as Teachers' Day and Children's Day. Now, what is Teachers' Day? Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th every year. It is the birthday of Sarvapalli Krishna, the first Vice President of India. He was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. When he became the second President of India in 1962, some of his students wanted his permission to celebrate his birthday, but he replied was, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. Since then, September 5th is celebrated throughout the country as Teachers' Day to honor teachers for their hard work and contribution to education. In schools, Teachers' Day is celebrated in a big way. Students thank their teachers and express their gratitude by presenting flowers, gifts, thank you cards to the teachers. On this day, teachers get a break from their hectic daily schedules. Instead, senior students dress up like teachers and they teach their juniors. Class parties are also organized by students. In all, it is a day full of fun, both students and teachers. नाउ नेशनलिज्म क्या होता है, नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स क्या होते हैं 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी जो ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में सेलिब्रेट होता है. एंड इन दैट व्हाट फंक्शंस वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग टीचर्स डे और चिल्ड्रंस डे. सो टीचर्स डे क्या है, डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण जी का वो क्या है बर्थडे है, तो उन्होंने अपना बर्थडे टीचर्स के लिए डेडिकेट कर दिया है. तो उसी दिन हम उनका बर्थडे भी सेलिब्रेट कर देते हैं और टीचर्स डे भी सेलिब्रेशन हो जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज़ चिल्ड्रंस डे इज़ अनदर मोस्ट लुक फॉरवर्ड डे इन स्कूल्स. इन इंडिया इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन November 14, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru was very fond of children and always enjoyed celebrating his birthday with them. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. Hence, Children's Day is celebrated in India in his memory. जो जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी थे उनका बर्थडे था 14 नवंबर को, तो वो बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे, इसीलिए उनका बर्थडे बच्चों के लिए डेडिकेट कर दिया गया है. So on 14 November now we are celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in school with great pomp and show. Lots of fun activities are organized by teachers for children. In some schools, sweets and distributed among the children. Class parties are also arranged. Thus, teachers make it a fun, full day for children. नाउ फंक्शंस क्या क्या होते हैं, ये तो हमने फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में बात कर लिया. टीचर्स डे, चिल्ड्रन डे, 26 जनवरी, 15 अगस्त, ये सारे स्कूल्स के मेनली फेस्टिवल्स है. नाउ फंक्शंस क्या क्या होते हैं, 2 मेन फंक्शंस आर देयर एवरी स्कूल सेलिब्रेट टू शो कार्ड देयर टैलेंट ऑफ द एनुअल डे एंड स्पोर्ट्स डे. स्कूल में फंक्शंस कौन से 2 मेन फंक्शन हर स्कूल में होता है, वो होता है एक स्पोर्ट्स डे और दूसरा एक होता है एनुअल डे. Now we'll see. Sport Day is a big event for every school. In school with house system, a healthy competition is seen between the house while playing various matches and participating in athletic events. Children cheers their house teams and enjoy participating in different sports events. On the day of the event, the playground wears a festive look. One of the highlights of the day is the march past by the contingent of each house. Each contingent marches past the chief guest dice saluting him or her. This is followed by the finals of the races set aside for the day and colorful masses drills by the students to thrill their audience. Finally, the prize distribution ceremony is held to facilitate the winners of the different sports day. Now we'll see annual day. So in this 3 points are there: interest in sports, sportsmanship, healthy mind in healthy body. So annual day is a big event celebrated by most school. It is generally celebrated at the end of an academic year. The annual day function has its own charm. The planning and rehearsals for this function starts very well in advance. The teachers take part very enthusiastically in training and guiding the students. They prepare students for a variety of entertainment programs like dance, music, plays, etc. On this day, the principal of the school presents the annual report. With great pride, the principal announces the academic and non-academic achievements of the students before the special invites and proud parents. On this special occasion, children participate in many cultural activities and they exhibit their talents and skills. Some of these activities include folk dance and music, classic and music and drama. So annual day celebration is important too for children due to the following reason. During rehearsal, a better bonding is formed between student and teacher. Participating in various events helps students overcome the stage phobia. Students get an opportunity to exhibit the talents which boosts their self-confidence. Besides this festival and functions, schools celebrate some religious and harvest festivals from time to time. Some schools also organize book fairs, science exhibition, and also encourage their students to participate in various inter-school competitions such as debates, quiz, and sports event. Now वी आर फिनिशिंग हियर. और जो फन विद टाइम विद फैमिली है वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सेंड करूँगी. ओके, सो बाय द टाइम this you have to read it very nicely and I will send you notes. That notes you have to write in your SS notebook. Okay, thank you.